let's do the wing now. Now the wing is coming in two sections. This is the two sections of the wing. We'll have to build each one separately and then join it in the middle. Let's do the first one by one. Just take the main wing out. There are these parts, areas where there is this attachment there. Just cut it with a knife and then push it out. It will come off. Yeah. Okay. And you have these pieces. We also need one of this, one for each wing. And this is a 90-degree gauge. Just to ensure alignment of fuselage, you can use this. Okay. And the other wing, we have these pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. Take 2 because we need 2 for each wing. Okay. So now how to do this wing is, this again has 50% cuts like rudder and elevator that we saw. Here there is a 50% cut, here there is a 50%, here there is a 50%, and this is for the aileron. Now first what we need to do is this cut where the wing is having a fold here, this almost to the center, break it open and bend it backwards. And now we have to do a double bevel, like we have to cut 45 degree in this side and also in this side, both the sides. I'll show you how. First let's do this, more than 45 degrees, make it as steep as possible, maybe 60 degree cut, but without touching the paper at the back, like this. You're able to see? Leave as much knife out, that will make it easier. Okay, one side bevel has been achieved. Now turn the other side. See this? The bevel is here in this side. Now this side also achieve the bevel. Okay, so now just leave the knife as much out as possible and just drag the knife towards you. Yes. Now if you see, both the sides there is a bevel. Yeah. So why we wanted both the sides is, then you can fold it like this totally. Now before folding it, take this and take the barbecue skewer. Now these two lines you are seeing here. Take the blunt side and there you just crush the foam like this. These two lines and this line also. Okay, just crush the line. Crush it really hard with the blunt side of the barbecue skewer, not the sharp side. Blunt side. Okay, why we were crushing it is, if you crush, the foam will build along the crush area. Now you can keep folding it like this way. I'm folding it this way. Now if you fold it this, you see the wing airfoil shape has come. Yes. So this is one half of the wing. Now what we have to do is, this piece is there and these two pieces are there. Now there is a marker here. Here this piece will come. Just apply glue. Yeah, and keep it here. There are the markers also available for easy visibility. Yeah, press hard and leave. And this comes here. There are two lines here, mild lines. Keep it here. And here it is to be flush with the edge. This side. It should not be outside, it should not be inside. It should not be outside, it should not be inside. Exactly at the tip. It should align, and here you align it. Apply glue here also. Okay, and this also apply glue. Fix. Okay, now this opening is there, this rectangle, that's where the servo will come. Just push it out and let it open. Now you will be bending it this way. Yeah, so when you bend it, you see this, it will sit on that pieces of foam that we kept. Okay, so that's how it needs to be fixed. Let it dry first, these pieces. Now while these pieces are drying, we will open the aileron cut. This is also 50%, so just open it. Yeah, and do a bevel, 45-degree bevel on the aileron, just like we did in the elevator and rudder. Always keep the knife at a acute angle, then only you will have a smooth cut like this. In a single stroke you can remove the foam. See, now the aileron is done. Just clear up the foam that is. Yeah. So now your aileron is also done. Now what you do is we'll have to apply glue here, here and here and hold it. Yeah. So let's apply the glue. Have a lengthy glue here because we need a lot of glue now. Yeah. Just apply glue. Okay, now just fold it like this and press the bottom. This is the bottom of the wing, this is the top of the wing. Keep the top of the wing on the floor and just press like how I'm holding, and hold it. Hold it for about 30 seconds. Now it is dry. Take this control horn, and here there is a cut. Just press it there and remove it, just like how we did the control horn earlier. Apply glue, little bit of glue, and repress the control horn. Now the control horn is also fixed, so the one side of the wing is done. Yeah, so one side of the wing that is completed. With the aileron also moving properly. Now what we have to do is repeat the same steps and complete the other side of the wing. Then we will see how to insert the servo wires and attach the two sides of the wing together. Now this part is there, that U section, just remove it off like this, because we need that gap for pulling the servo wire outside. Yeah, so same way do the other section of the wing, and then I'll show you how to join the wings together. Now both the wing halves are done. Yeah, this is the right side and this is the left side. Now how to attach them is put them upside down, yeah, and take a thick tape like this. This is a 1.5 inch thick tape, cellophane tape. I've taken some tape here. Bring these two halves together like this at the bottom. Yeah, let there be no gap. Let it be aligned properly, and without moving them, just carefully use the tape and attach them like this. Yeah, so attach it and cut the tape at the edge here, the front edge and the back side. We don't need more. This is just, the tape is going to hold the wings together till we join them with hot melt glue. That's the purpose. Yeah, now the tape is joined. Now when you take it, you can bend like this and the tape is going to hold. You see this? Now hold it like this, and this is the dihedral gauge. This is there in the kit. Keep this also handy. Now after bending it, the tape is holding here. Now apply glue over here and over here, so that after applying glue, when we open it like this, then the glue joint is going to get hardened. So that's how we are going to join the wing. Apply glue. Let's apply glue here. In the gap, don't apply. The gap where the servo wire is going to come, the aileron servo wire, there you should not apply glue. Other places apply glue liberally like this. Yes. Now the glue is applied. Just carefully, just open it like this. Yeah, and it will kind of, the wing will overlap, and when it is overlapping, take this dihedral gauge and keep it under one side of the wing and press it against the floor tight, and whatever excess glue is coming out, take some scrap piece of foam and rub them off. Just take some scrap piece and rub off the excess foam that's coming out. Hold this position for about 1 minute. Let the glue totally dry, because this is very important. Only the glue is going to hold the two portions together, and here in this side I have kept the dihedral gauge under the tip of the wing. This wing is flat on the ground and this is slightly raised up because of the dihedral gauge that is here. Yeah, so just hold it. Let it dry. Let it dry for about at least minimum of some 30 seconds or 1 minute. Let it dry for 1 minute. Don't disturb. Let it keep. Let it get dry. Now it is totally dry. You can see that there is a dihedral angle that has come for the wing. Okay. Now further we need to strengthen it. So apply sellotape here. This 1.5 2 inch sellotape in the middle without any wrinkle. Just keep it like this, and without any kind of wrinkle, apply tape. This tape is going to add a lot of strength to the wing. Okay, that's why we are applying tape. Yeah. Okay. So now the wing two sides are joined together. Okay, now this sellotape cut over here, we'll see how to attach the servos. Just raise that hole here. Now take one servo. Two servos are required for the ailerons. Here you see that there's a gap here. This, now through that gap you can just push the servo wire you push straight, it has come here. So just pull that servo lead, this from here. Okay, that is all. The servo has come. Now just attach the servo, fix the servo here, and same way pull another servo through this side, and once both the servos are there, use a Y cable, Y connector, and connect it. Yeah, so this servo also just pull it and fix it to the Y connector. So now the servo wires are also there. Now just apply glue and fix this servos into these gaps. Yeah, just cut the gaps a little bit more to fix the servos. With that you can just take the plane and that you can just keep the servo wires here, and now the plane is done. We need to do the motor mount. We'll see how to do the motor mount. The motor mount, there is this small sheet that is there. In this only we need to do the motor mount. Let's see how to do that.